Welcome to Shor Machshava on the Daf Shir sponsor Lui Nishmas Arim B'Yakov Shalom Le'Abbas Yitzchok. We're holding Batra Daf Kuv Beis. In the bottom of Amud Beis, the Gemara quotes a Mishnah. Hamagdish Sadeyu. It says in our Gemara Bish'as Hayovel. Says the Rashbam, don't say Bishnas Hayovel, because doing the Yovel itself, doing the year of the Yovel, it's a machlokes if you could do an Hegdish. So we're talking doing the time the Yovel is noig, but not the year of the Yovel itself. Toisa says, no, Shnas HaYovel doesn't mean the year of the Yovel. It means when there is a Yovel. Hi, in the Torah it does says, when it says the Pasuk says, Shnas HaYovel, Yoshu HaSodeh, and it means the year of the Yovel. Says Toisa a side based on the Gemara in Chulin, that Lashon Torah L'chud and Lashon Chachomim L'chud. The language that Torah uses is different than the language that Chazal use. And therefore, when the word Bishnas HaYovel can mean in the Torah the year of the Yovel, but in by Chachamim, that same words can mean something else. So let's be mizboinin a little bit in this Yesod. First of all, the Bnei Yissaschar, in Ma'amorei Sivon Maimor Vov, explains what's the reason the Lashon Torah L'chud and Lashon Chachomim L'chud. What's the reason for that difference? So he says we know that Torah shebichtav is keneged the zocher. It's considered to be a zocher. Torah sheba'al peh is keneged the nekeva. This is meferish Chazal and Sefer HaZohar. The simple understanding of it is the same way the zocher gives the source, gives the shayrish, but the nekeva takes the vlad and creates an actual image. Is the one who's mifaret havlad le'ivorov, brings something that we can relate to, and an actual tzura in the world. So Torah shebichtav is the potential, it's the idea. But how exactly it's implemented in the world, we need to have Torah sheba'al peh. So Torah shebichtav is the zacher, and Torah sheba'al peh is the nekeva. Says the Bnei Yissaschar, the same way that we know, the Lashon zacher and Lashon nekeva is a little bit different. And also a man and a woman, they have different types of voices. There's a voice of a man and a voice of a woman. So that's the reason why Lashon Torah L'chud and Lashon Chachomim L'chud. And if we take what we just, the understanding of Torah shebichtav and Torah sheba'al peh, Torah shebichtav is the concept, it's the idea. Torah sheba'al peh is the way it's implemented, the way people speak down here. So therefore these Lashoners are different. Interesting to point out that the Chidah says that according to Rabbi Shmuel that says Dibra Torah K'Lashon Bnei Adam, we don't say this difference. Because that's really the machlokes. The Torah shebichtav is the Torah speaking different than the Lashon that we speak down here. And just to add to this, two he'oros. One is Nagiat Inyan de Yoima. The Chendas Yamim in Elul Perek Vav brings that even though in the Torah when we speak about L'chaim, we use it with a pasach. Kol HaKosuv L'chaim. Not with a shva. Not L'chaim, but L'chaim. But Lashon Torah L'chud and Lashon uses the word Lashon Tefillah L'chud. Meaning the way we speak should be different than the Torah. And therefore, in the days of Aseret and Shuvah, we say Zachreinu L'chaim, not Zachreinu L'chaim. And that's based on the Gemara in Nedarim, that when you say L'chaim, it can mean Loichaim. So that's why you say L'chaim with a shval. Tell me, Kishbuch, remember us for Chaim. And why are we so careful if the Torah wasn't? Lashon Torah L'chud, Lashon Tefillah L'chud. And Reb Tzadok HaKohen in Tzidkas HaTzadik Oiskuf Pei Beis has a beautiful piece over there. But within his words he says, what does Kriya mean? In the Torah, Kriya is a Lashon of Tefillah. Koyrei L'Hashem. But in Lashon Chazal, we use Kriya for Torah. Kriya is a Torah. So we call Torah Lashon Kriya. So what does it mean? He says like this: B'Lashon Torah, so the Tefillah is davening to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. But the Torah itself is the actual connection to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, because Kolash Torah Shmoyes HaKadosh Baruch Hu. But B'Lashon Chazal, how do I get to the connection to HaKadosh Baruch Hu? By reading the Torah. So mitzad the Torah shebichtav, the Torah itself is Gilui HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Mitzad Chazal, the Torah is a way for us to connect to Hashem. Is the way for us to call to Hashem. So Lashon Torah L'chud and Lashon Chachomim L'chud. Lashon Torah, Kriya is tefillah, and Torah is when you actually have to connect. You have the connection. Lashon Chachomim lechud, that the Kriya, that's a way for us to connect to Hashem, is to learn the Torah. Anyone who wants to join the Shomachshava email list to WhatsApp group, please email shomachshava@gmail.com.